Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold was definitely a little tricky today because it definitely did make a pretty aggressive turn at the 61% to the downside, and then it just reversed back up. Now, I definitely would primarily be looking for longs, like I said this morning, because the higher time frame trend is up, but I still expect that there could be another push down. It still looks to me like either an A, B, C, which would look like this and then turn back up, or possibly it's a 1, a 2, and this is going to end up being a wave 3 that just keeps on going down, depending on whether this high over here is a wave 3 or wave C itself, like I was explaining in my full top down video on Saturday or Sunday, that is. So definitely still looks like it could possibly make a move down. I just think you need to be very cautious with your shorts because the daily is definitely up and the weekly is definitely in an uptrend. And as always, the trend is your friend, especially when you come up with counter trend reasons on the shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.